Look at you, big girl. Sitting up on your own.
Guess we need to start strapping you in there, huh? Can you do it again? Work those abs. Nope.
Done.
What is she doing?
Just trying to sit up. Can you do it again? Give me a little head start from Dad.
She did it. Did what?
She's trying to sit up.
She's trying. Woo! She did it. Let's see.
First couple times she popped right up.
Tired. Oh, my abs hurt.
I'll try.